Shebi say you not get shame. Shebi you say you not get shame. Wetin you dey do here, Abbas? Wetin you dey do here? Wetin you dey do here? Wetin? As I dey like this, I not fool your eye. Wetin you dey find? Wetin you dey find? When she come outside, you get mind. You get mind. Buy house. You come Port Harcourt, come buy house. Tell her to come out. No matter how there is no heat. No matter how I have the details in my palm. This is your apartment. You bought house. This is my house. You bought building.
This man is just this man told me. Alright guys, yes, yo, it's your boy Mr. Kel. So guys, I'm here with this auntie. What's your name?
Tessie by name.
Tessie, madam, you need a smile. What's going on?
I not get joy at all.
Okay, so guys, this lady explained something to me that it's quite appalling. I'm not one talking about myself. Maybe she use her mouth to tell us, madam, what's happening?
You get my husband no. Get one game be say her name na Tessie, Shressi. When he be say she don't dey worry my marriage. About 2 years now, me and this girl they dig am for my marriage matter. Now, presently, after all wetin she don't cost for my marriage, that one not do am. She and my husband don't relocate, come Port Harcourt. The person when I put for ground, make they monitor my husband for me. Tell me say my husband don't carry this girl come Port Harcourt. Not only that, he even buy house for her. When me and my children see the rented apartment. This matter don't tire me. Now make her bring her. Me wanna see what they happen because if person come out now, they go say women not they like to they stay marriage nowadays.
Madam, just calm down. You say waiting be her name.
Her name na Chelsea, Abi Tracy, whatever.
So they call plenty names.
Her name na Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Chelsea
or Chelsea.
Chelsea, something like that. No one even know the verse.
Okay, it's fine. Just calm down. Okay. So when you called me, you said they carry me go where them they.
Yes.
So where is that?
Nah, around the I know the place. Where would they go? I go direct you. I know the place.
Okay, guys. So
one hotel.
From everything this woman told me, she said, actually, father, she didn't explain everything to you. She said the man leave him, come like this, so that motor fit pass. You get come like this. Okay. So she said that in husband, they always leave she and her children. They follow one Chelsea girl. You get so this Chelsea girl, in husband don't rent house for him before. She go that place, bust the house for Delta State there.
Yes.
You get so along the line, the husband apologized to her and said they no day again. You get, but all of a sudden she can't hear news say the man carry the girl come Port Harcourt here, come abi rent house, abi buy house for this Port Harcourt. So guys, I don't know what this is all about. You get, but I dey wonder why this man go actually abandon his children. He said the man get money to train his children, but he need to agree train his children. He get money to build house, he no agree build house for the family.
Now Juju
but if they buy house for another woman, so it's obvious that there is something wrong somewhere. At least if you want to do something, you go do now, but take care of your family first, because he said family first. But this man on no saying outside first. You get na outside match in they play first before you go even reason in family. So I'm not blaming the woman if she's ranging like this. You get, she don't call me since based on what happened to me. I know if it's attend to her. So I just think I just put myself together, attend to her today, and this is what it is. So guys, we're going to be going there now. So you want to follow us, make una see for herself, make una advise this woman what you think she should do at the end of the day, because it get as the matter be, last get as the matter be. So I don't want to talk much. Let's just go there. Madam, you go take us to the place now.
Okay.
You guys, so make una see for herself what all these things is all about. I love you guys. Don't forget to share this video, leave a comment, and follow the page. Let's go. Oh shit. Okay, so guys, we are here now. Madam, now this place now.
Yes, I am.
Okay, so let me wear this thing for your body.
Okay.
Put on the way we say.
We are go fit put on now. Today, yes, I not get joy you.
Everything will be alright.
Never enter. Okay.
Okay, so throw down your clothes, come outside. Like, feel your hair, hide down. You like this now. Okay, guys. So see what you go do. You know, everything. Knock the gate. Most whether the man will quit.
Now here now. Now here. Now here be the place. Now here. Now here. Well done. I can't see my husband. The man when he get this place.
My guy is sleeping.
Open the door. I'll call her for me.
Call your guy now. Call your guy.
Call her, come out. Let it be your own now. Open this gate. Open the gate for me. Now my husband come and be this. Call her for me. Call her for me.
Madam, just take it easy.
Leave me. You know which kind take and easy. Hey, let me this. Come out. I talk am.
What are you doing here?
Who be your honey? Make that fire you. Who be your honey? I'm asking you. Who is your? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You and this girl. Won't take record for this life. I between me. Don't be say you not get shame. Don't be you say you not get shame. Wetin you dey do here, Abat? Wetin you dey do here? Waiting. As I dey like this, this are not full your eye. Wetin you dey find? Wetin you dey fly? When she come outside, you get mind. You get mind. Buy house. You come Port Harcourt, come buy house.
Madam, wait.
You come
Port Harcourt, come buy house.
Madam, wait.
Me and you see they rented apartment.
How do you trust me here?
Madam,
The
wait.
3 kids I have for you, you have abandoned me and
Madam, wait. Let me talk now.
You?
Maybe you brought me. Okay, come. Sorry.
no Tracy, Abi Chelsea.
sorry.
Abi will come outside. Tell her to come out.
This is not my house.
There is no hit. It's not my house. I have the details in my palm. This is your apartment.
Okay.
You
This is not
bought
your
house.
house.
This is not my house.
You bought building.
This man
for-
told us that his guy is inside, and when we're doing this, you came out from that place.
Hey,
But what have I not done for you?
your guy.
What have I not
had a
done
meeting
to
with
keep
him.
this marriage
Like, I was
going?
going out.
What have I not done,
I had a meeting
Herbert?
with your guy.
What have you dare call me honey? What do you mean by honey? Don't even go
Wait.
there. Tell her to come out. Tell her to come out.
this is not my house.
Tracy,
How can this be my house?
Tracy, I am here now. Tell her to come out.
It's someone's
Okay, can
house.
you
There
see-
is no
see-
hidden
it's
place
okay.
for you.
Madam, it's okay. No problem. Can you do us a favor? It's not your house. Right?
Yes. I came
you
for a
said-
meeting.
Okay, you came for a meeting. Can
Yes.
you call the owner of the house to come out?
Call the owner of the house to come out.
Please.
I have all your details. You know me now. I be a looter. You know me. I be a looter.
Calm down
I
now.
trace you. I trace you.
Madam, it's okay.
Ah.
It's okay.
The number is switched off.
The number is switched off.
Yes.
Can we go inside and see the man?
Tracy, come out.
Oh, how can this stop someone who's inside the house?
No, this is your wife. You can take.
Hello, young man.
Can you take this man and introduce to the man and say this is
Please,
your wife?
Please, I don't like this camera. Please. I don't like it.
Don't forget about the camera.
No.
okay?
Continue. Talk
Forget
about
about
what
the
they
camera.
make you. They
Can you
talk with this
take
girl.
this woman
You
as
don't
your
use sham
wife
for you.
and go and
You
show
don't use sham
the owner
for
of the
you.
house?
If you get them Tracy, don't use sham for
On
you.
sudden visit to someone else.
It's just a normal introduction.
Wait.
Meet them or you call the man. Go
Make
inside,
she
call
come
the man. Wait for
outside,
you.
oh. Tell her to come out.
See, go inside.
Tell her
Young
to
man.
come
Call
out.
the man to come.
Tell her
And
to
it's
come
as simple
out.
as that.
Young man, come. Let me
What do you want? What do you want to talk to me? I'm here.
Make she talk am.
The issue is that
Make it
we
talk
all are
am.
men. You understand? We all
Make
are
it come
men.
out.
Hmm?
Make it come out. Oh.
So the thing is that there's
Okay,
nothing I
see,
should do. Listen,
you shouldn't be talking to me. You shouldn't be talking to me. Talk
Make
to
it
your
come
wife.
out.
Talk to your wife, okay? Don't talk to me. This thing you're telling me now, what do you expect me to do?
Right now, with the way she's shouting and all that, and
You
now
never say
neighbors,
See,
neighbors,
You
neighbors
get
are
shame?
coming out.
You get shame when I've been telling leave Tracy alone, Tracy Abi Chelsea alone. You say no. Me too. It shock you.
okay.
I told
What?
you that I will surprise
If this thing is as simple,
I said it.
this thing is as
Come.
simple
Who's your
as
honey?
Come.
Don't
just
touch
go
me.
inside there,
Don't even
talk
touch
to
me.
your friend,
Tell her to
let him
come
come
out.
and see your
Tell her
wife.
to come
It's as
out,
simple as that.
ma.
Are you
Tell
ashamed
her
of your
to
wife?
Come out. Tell her to come out.
Are you ashamed of your wife?
How can I, from a business meeting, then turn into something else?
No, it's not that like
So you
just
get
go
shame?
inside, introduce your wife
So
to your,
you get
your
shame.
colleague or whatever it is. It's as
Say.
simple as that.
See who they talk about shame. See who they talk about when you abandon me and our kids.
Okay, this is
I
not,
gave you
this is
3
not-
bouncy baby
this
girls.
is not fair.
You ran away.
It's not
Come
fair.
on here.
It's not
Come
fair.
on here. All the way from Delta State. You come here. When me and you see the rent, you come there buy beauty. They give girl.
Why are you not paying your
They
children's
give
school
girl.
fees? First, bring that. Why you don't pay your
Answer.
children's school fees?
Ask her why no they pay the children school fees.
Why?
Only me one. Only me one.
Listen.
You can't even compare that girl to me.
I tried to
You
swallow
can't compare that girl to me.
shame and
You not
pain.
get shame. Don't even talk about shame here.
But this one is
Do you
speaking
have
to-
shame? Do you have shame?
How can I be living in the house with a nagging woman? I need to look for peace of mind.
But it's not about nagging. Does the nagging stop you from training your
Okay,
children?
ask them.
But I do.
Does it train you to stop you from training your
I
children?
do. I sent her. I sent her money.
They call me money.
You said your children are
I
home.
sent her money. So
Okay.
she decided not to send them to school. I sent her money.
Liar.
Alright,
Liar.
this is not.
I
this
will
is
not watch you
it's
lying
not fair.
against me.
It's not fair at all.
You are lying against
It's not
me.
fair.
See,
You are lying against me.
young man, I don't know who you are. I'm meeting you for the first time now. But this is my wife.
Who is your wife?
I married her as a man marries a woman.
Are you sure?
But
What are you doing with that ship cargo? What are you doing with that ship cargo? Tell her to come out. Shebi she not dey fear. Tell her make she come out. Abia Luther. Tell her make she come out. Oh God.
The worry guy. But I tried my possible best to make sure say I live as.
You people are wasting my
as a
time
man.
here.
But my wife.
You bought a building. You bought this building.
Making everything.
Albert, wait. You buy this place for a woman. Oh, Jehovah. My own don't finish. My own don't finish. My own don't finish. Remain
Where
where?
are you going to?
Where you dey go?
Call the guy to come out now.
Call the girl make
You
you
want to
come
be like
out.
that?
I'm done with business meeting now. I'm going to my office.
Good business
Yes,
meeting.
fine. We can go to my office
The
together.
information I got was
We can
this
go to
is
office
your
together,
building.
It's not my house.
This is your building.
Can you
Abba,
come?
tell
We're
that
doing
girl.
meeting with.
That
The
girl
person has
thing.
gone out.
Tell her
he's
to come
sleeping
out.
inside.
Let's go inside
Tell her
now.
to
Why will
come
you go
out.
inside another man's house? Is that right thing to
Tell
do?
that idiot to come out. Shebi she dey claim.
Is that right thing to do?
Shebi she sabi say make she come out, come answer her name. I am here.
In fact, man,
He not fat again. He don't sleep. Tell her to come out. Tell her to come out now.
She's pushing me.
I never even start. Oh, you know me.
She's
Oh,
pushing me to another level.
you know me. You know what
man.
I can do. You
Young
know
man.
me, Herbert.
Young
You
man.
know
Madam,
me.
it's okay.
You
It's
know
okay.
me.
It's okay.
Tell her to come out. Why your ship
Young
cargo? Tell her to come out.
Please, it's okay.
You put her for grass, she reach me.
Just go inside. We'll wait for you. Tell your friend to come out. Okay? Just tell your friend to come and see your wife. It's as simple as that.
If she wait all she could, she should go back to where she's coming from. I'm not coming back out.
You are not serious.
Since she has not given me time to explain myself to her. So she
You
should
are joking.
not-
How about I say you are joking? Me and you, you will see. You will see. I'm coming back for you. There will be no peace for the weekend. I promise you, I Chelsea or Chelsea, whatever. That Bino, I promise you with her. There is no peace for the weekend. I am coming back. I'm coming back. Guy, let's go. I will come back. Shebi, you see her. I told you. Didn't I? I told you. I told you. So that is it.
Have a
I
cut.
told you.